it's me, Lex, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a DIY stuffing factory. Yeah, it's right here. Double X to the O, Lex. And my friend gave this to me for Christmas. Anyways, let's get started. We're just gonna try it. So fluffy. We're just gonna put that much. I think it's a hedgehog. So what makes it really easy though is that like you don't have to sew it back together. It's just, you just have to like, that easy. It's that easy. Well, now we're gonna do friends. Meet Hedgehog, the hedgehog. Okay. It's gonna be right there for right now. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!